Hey guys, today we've got with us the brand new Logitech G502 Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse. Now this is the updated, or rather this is actually the wireless variant of the G502 Hero, one of Logitech's most popular gaming mice. This is the wireless version we've got with us, and let's quickly unbox this mouse and see what all it is that you get inside the box. So just quickly go ahead and take the shrink wrap off. So unlike other wireless accessories, Logitech's gaming series that employ wireless technology are actually using a completely different type of wireless radio. So they're using what Logitech calls the Lightspeed wireless technology. So we'll get into the specifics of that later, but let's just go ahead and open this up. And here we have the mouse itself. Interestingly, the G502 Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse is identical to its predecessor. What you do have over here in the front is the charging port. It's a micro USB port over here, and underneath, if you take the shrink wrap off, over here we have a whole suite of compartments. So first and foremost, you can remove the top panel for the weights, and down here I'm assuming is where you store the wireless connector dongle. Oops, there we go. So this is actually again magnetically attached, and this is where the wireless dongle is going to go. So we'll just quickly put this back into place and see what else it is that you get inside the box. The mouse, take the top tray off. This little case in here is probably something that a lot of you may or may not use actually, but it's essential. These are additional weights in order for you to add weight to the mouse, which alters the way it handles. So there is so there are 4 weights of 2 grams each and 2 weights of 4 grams. So that's plenty for practically anybody. You also get this little wireless dongle. Of course, this is how the mouse will pair with your computer, but there's also a little device to store this in. So this actually helps you. On the other side, it has a micro USB port, so you can charge your G502 Hero as well through this. So you've got the USB dongle and of course the weights. That's in the separate case. It's nice that they come in a separate case and not in something like a shabby little pouch. That's nice. You also have some G branded stickers. So this is Logitech's new branding for the G series. That's there. And perhaps the nicest of them all is this removable USB cable. Now you could actually use the G502 wireless with the cable plugged into your computer if you wanted a wired connection, or you could also just use this to charge the mouse and then run it wirelessly. The mouse itself has a built-in battery, so you don't actually have to bother with any AA, AAA type deals. So that's pretty awesome. So there you go, guys. That's a quick look at what's inside the box of the G502 Hero Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse from Logitech. You have the mouse itself. You have an assortment of weights, the USB dongle, a little extender for you to connect the cable to the mouse. You have some the user manual, stickers. That's pretty much it. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next one.